Hello, I am Carmelita Nassif. I'm the solution teacher, and I'm here today to invite you to our live with Dr. Ramesh, who developed this quantic technique. The solution is a technique that brings you into your heart and it strengthens all the space around your heart, and it strengthens your emotional, your physical, your mental, and even your spiritual life. And it can change and strengthen also all your environment. And we are going to talk a little bit about this and practice a little bit with Dr. Ramesh. And I'm here today in English. I'm Brazilian, but I'm in English to invite all English speakers who want to join us. I think you love this technique, and the purpose of this channel is to spread this technique to as many people as possible, because we are in a very challenging moment of the planet, and the only place that is safe is our hearts. And you can change your perception, your consciousness, your awareness, and you are a co-creator. And that's what this technique brings. If you are in your heart and strength, you can bring and create a new world, a new era, a new place for us to live and for the next generations. So I hope this message touches your heart and you join us today. The link is already in the description of this video, and I hope if you want, you can also join our groups on WhatsApp or on Telegram, where I always put something about our lives or our workshops. We also have workshops in English. So if is this a call for your heart and for your life, and you want to change it and be happy and see how life is simple and how all the programmation and limiting beliefs made you a little bit stiff, but we can expand and throw this all way through our hearts. So thank you so much for your attention. Namaste.